Hi, today we'll talk about two books. The first one is Quiet by Paul Bright and illustrated by Guy Parker Rees. And the second one that complements Quiet perfectly is Roar by Margaret Mayo and Alex Iliff. Both can be very well used for teaching young English language learners, especially if you combine these two picture books. I'm Mia. I share ChestBook stories, and I also create activities for kids that cover all what young learners need to learn English through story and speak English confidently. It's called ChestBook Teaching. You can find the links to explain this English language learning methodology in the description below. Check it out. So first about Quiet. It's a story about Pa, Ma and baby lion who live in a noisy jungle. Pa lion is hungry. Baby Leo is sleepy. And Ma lion wants the baby Leo to sleep. But in that noise, it's impossible. Ma lion commands Pa lion to make the jungle quiet. Pa lion does that easily. He is the king of the jungle after all. He roars, "Quiet!" and threatens the animals to eat them if they wake up baby Leo. But Pa lion, getting more and more hungry, wishes that somebody wakes up baby Leo, because then he could eat those animals. Even though animals, one after another, make noise, none of them wakes up baby Leo, until finally something wakes up baby Leo and Ma lion gets furious. No, I'm not telling you who wakes up baby Leo. Read the book. But I tell you one thing, it's absolute fun for kids and teachers alike. Find the link where you can buy this picture book in the description below. Magnificently engaging story with the suspense and action throughout the book. The repetitive dialogue is easy and children can follow and cooperate in the narration throughout the story. My pupil especially loved Pa lion's reaction of disappointment. "Oh, bother!" I needn't repeat it twice. They use it right away. They still use it. When? Whenever they're disappointed. On the other hand, the book Roar has no story. So why am I presenting it then? Because after storytelling Quiet, and after the doodling, and after some elementary games, when children are already familiar with tons of jungle animals and their mischiefs, Roar can be the picture book to introduce the game What's My Animal? How so? Roar is an ideal book that, with some tailoring, children can guess the animals in the illustrations. In the jungle, there are many animals. Which one do you think is this one? What do you think? And after the picture book guessing, we played a game. A great game that makes kids differentiate the verbs have got, be, and can. Don't worry, I'll show you the game in one of my next videos. We're still in the process of perfecting it. Today, it was just about the books and their content. Go! Get yourself one copy of each book. The links you can find below in the description. And then we'll dive into fun English games with kids together. And while you're at it, check out the courses I'm offering. Great stuff. Makes language teaching so easy and fun. Don't forget to hit the like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, for this is one of the greatest teaching resources if you teach kids. Great stuff is already published and great stuff is coming. I'm sure you don't want to miss it. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.